In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Ubersuggest and connect your website for tracking. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once your browser is ready, go to neilpatel.com/Ubersuggest. Make sure you enter the address carefully so you land on the correct page. After the site loads, give it a moment to fully display, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. This helps ensure that all of the menu options and buttons appear properly before you continue. When you're on the Ubersuggest homepage, look toward the upper right corner of the header area. You should see the sign in option there. Go ahead and click it. This will take you to the login area where you'll also find the option to create a new account if you haven't signed up before. If the page looks slightly different depending on updates to the website, don't worry. Just focus on finding the sign-in area in the top section, since that's usually where account access options are grouped. Next, choose the link labeled Create an Account. This is the option you'll use to begin the registration process. Once you click it, you'll be taken to the account setup form. Take your time here, and make sure you're selecting the correct option so you don't accidentally end up on the standard login screen instead of the registration page. Now fill in your work email address and create a strong password. It's a good idea to use an email address you check regularly since account-related messages or verification steps may be sent there. For your password, choose a secure combination of letters, numbers, and symbols if allowed. Avoid using anything too simple or easy to guess. A strong password helps protect your account and keeps your data secure. After your account details are entered, input your website domain so the platform can connect your target site to its tracking system. Be sure to enter the correct domain format for the website you want to monitor. This step is important because it links your web property directly to the database and tracking engine, allowing the platform to gather the right information for analysis and performance insights. Double-check the domain before moving forward so you don't attach the wrong site by mistake. Once that's done, your account setup and website connection process will be in place, and you'll be ready to start using Ubersuggest more effectively.